Ang Ayungin Shoal is a very complicated issue. First and foremost, we don't have sovereignty over that area. We only have sovereign rights. That's because of our exclusive economic
What's the difference?
Anong
What's the
pagkakaiba?
difference between sovereignty
Pag
and
sinabi-
sovereign rights? What did you say? What is the difference again between what you made a distinction? What was it again?
Sovereign authority
Okay.
versus sovereign rights. Okay.
Okay. Pag sinabi mo kasing sovereignty, pag-aari mo yan. Pag-aari mo, part ng territory mo. Ibig sabihin, may total control ka. Kaya sa'yo yan eh. Kung ano mang gawin mo dyan, sa'yo yan. Walang kukontra because when you talk about sovereignty, it is also recognized by the international community, meaning all member states of the UN recognize that you have sovereignty over the area.
And
But
it's not
look at
true.
what happened right now. Do we have? Are we recognized by the international community like the whole 198 members or how many members of the UN na may sovereignty tayo sa Ayungin Shoal?
No.
Of
Wala.
course not.
No,
That is
it's
a
not
fact,
true.
for
So,
God's sake.
why would this person think that we had sovereign rights?
Siya ang biktima ng misinformation and disinformation na kinakalat ng mga pro-American agents sa Pilipinas, mga Pinoy, at siya din ang biktima ng Western media propaganda against China. At hindi malinaw na pagpapaliwanag sa issue ng South China Sea dispute.
Ma'am Ana, para
Pangalawa.
mapakinggan po ng ating
Yeah.
ordinaryong mamamayan.
Yes.
Palawan, Cagayan Valley, Batanes, sovereignty, tama. Mayroon tayong authority,
Atin yun.
Yes.
Okay.
Ayungin Shoal, not sovereignty, sovereign rights.
No.
Meaning,
Sovereign right.
other
Meaning-
countries claim that also,
It's just claims.
claims,
Yes.
at hindi natin siya
Yes.
direct na teritoryo. Tama ba?
Yes.
Correct.
Yes,
It's
tama
not
ka dun
just
ka, Eric.
it's not just the Philippines that has these claims. There are other people claiming, there are other countries claiming.
Country claiming.
Yes.
Yeah. It's
Klaro.
a claim.
Klaro.
Kaya nga disputed eh, because there are different and overlapping claims.
Okay.
Ma'am, pangalawa, para
Okay.
mag-guide
Ngayon,
namin ang...
mayroon
Okay,
akong
go ahead.
Meron akong kay Ka Eric kanina nung sinabi niya, Batanes,
Palawan.
yung Palawan. Tanong ko sa inyo, mga Pilipino, may EDCA bases dyan. May US military bases dyan. Sino ngayon ang China ba, ang United States?
Exactly the point.
Atin yan eh. Within our territory, we should have control over those area. Pero tanong, pag sinabi mong US military bases, we don't have control over the area. Kahit na presidente natin, hindi pwedeng pumasok sa US military base eh. Because that is being considered as a territory of the United States.
Extraterritorial authority daw nila yan, ma'am. Tama ka.
They say that's not true, Professor Ana. They say that's not true, Kasi there's a difference.
Oh,
It's not bases. It's EDCA. This is so therefore it's still the Philippines that has sovereignty over it. It's not true.
Ang katawa-tawa, Ma'am Ana, ang katawa-tawa, Professor Ana, kampo natin. Pero sa loob ng kampo, nagbabase militar ang Amerika. Yun ang hindi kagaya noon na talagang kinilaim nila buo. Para itago ang pagbabase militar, kailangan ang mukha niya, kampo pa rin ang Pilipino. Pero sa loob, nagkakampo din at nagpoposisyon ng armas pangdigma ang Amerika sa loob ng mga Philippine military camps. How laughable is that?
Yan eh, para yung facade eh. Alanganan naman syempre sabihin ng mga Amerikano na hindi, amin yan. Because that already an implication na talagang violate nyo ang Constitution ng Pilipinas. Kasi ano bang sabi ng Constitution? Hindi pwede at hindi pinapayagan magkaroon ng foreign military bases sa Pilipinas. Ano pa yung sinasabi ng Constitution? Hindi pwede ang tinatawag mong foreign troops sa Pilipinas. Pero paano nila dinaya ang BFA? Rotating. Sa rotating, hindi nga alam kung hanggang kailan magro-rotate at walang specific dates.
Professor Ana, backtrack. What does that rotating mean? Because we're laymen here listening. Could you explain that a little bit more clearly? Yes.
Parang okay, ito yung set of military troops from the United States pupunta sa Pilipinas or mga Australian troops. Tapos for a certain while daw, ibabalik and then another set. So parang rotating lang siya. Pero ang tanong kasi, nasaan ba ang rotating military troops mo ng mga foreigners na tulad ng US and Australia and others? Nasa lang pa rin Pilipinas yan eh.
Klaro.
Hindi lang siya permanent.
Hindi siya permanent.
Pero at the end of the day, nandun siya. Pero ang problema, wala ka namang specific timeline for that eh. Hindi malinaw ang timeline dyan eh.
Hindi
So,
permanent, pero labas-pasok.
Oo.
Anytime.
Oo.
Yun.
So,
Oo.
sa ang permanent kasi, kumbaga-
parang EDCA din yan, hindi daw permanent.
Oo,
pero
kumbaga,
andyan.
ang ibig sabihin ng permanent, isang grupo na nandyan. So, sinabi
Oo,
nila, hindi
forever.
naman permanent,
Oo,
pero
labas-pasok
nag-iikot lang sila, nagro-rotate sila.
Oo, tas
Ngayon,
labas-pasok,
oo.
labas-pasok.